Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c : and hit enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.